Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. You girls been gone for a minute, but I'm finally back with a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a simple curling rod set along with a hair mask treatment. I'm kind of in the process right now of searching for a new hair care routine, including products and styles. And one of the first new products I'm going to be trying is the Main Choice. Now, specifically for this video, I'm only going to be using their styling gel as well as their mask treatment. But they do have a lot of great other products as well that I do highly recommend. So if you ever have a chance, definitely try some of their products. So this is my hair kind of in its natural state. The night before, I put some tea tree oil in it just to give it some extra moisture, and just combed it out prior to this video. So of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is wash your hair. I haven't came up with a creative way to tell you washing my hair, but just make sure when you wash your hair, you're giving your scalp some love. Give it a good scrub. Make sure you're not scratching your scalp, but just using the tips of your fingers to give it a good scrub. So after you get your hair all combed out, all detangled, go ahead and part it into 4 different sections. And then I'm going to be using a bowl and brush to apply this. Actually, you're more than welcome to just kind of get it in your hands, apply like normal conditioner and let it sit. But I preferred this method just to make sure I'm getting every single strand of hair from my roots all the way down through my ends. I'm going to just outline my section here and again continue just section by section applying the mask treatment from my roots all the way down to my ends. If you're familiar with doing hair, this is kind of similar to how you would apply like a hair color. Once you've completed that, you'll go ahead and just either clip the completed section out of your way, or just you'll see I'm going to tie it in a little bun, but just get that out of your way, and then you're going to continue this method to do all 4 sections until it's complete. And then you're going to want to let this sit on your head for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once you let that sit, go ahead and rinse it out, and then just detangle your hair. So my hair felt really great after rinsing this out. Usually my hair absorbs all the moisture and continues to be dry, but my hair legit felt really good after rinsing this out. It's applying some leave-in conditioner. I didn't show it in my video, but it's just a basic leave-in conditioner made by Cantu. And this is just to give my hair a little bit of extra moisture. You'll especially want to do this if you plan to leave your hair in this style for more than a day or 2. To start off my roller set, I'm going to take my first section about 1.5 inches wide, and I'm going to apply my rollers vertically instead of the traditional way, which is horizontally. And that's just so that my curls fall the way I want them to. The product I'm going to be using is by the Main Choice, and it's called Crystal Orchid Styling Gel. You can get this at Walgreens, Target. I'm not sure if Walmart sells it or online as well. And you can also get these rollers from any hair supply, or I even found some at Walgreens. Once you're ready to start setting your hair, you want to make sure every section is thoroughly brushed and smoothed out. What I usually do is take a section, go ahead and smooth it out, apply product, and then just brush it to smooth it out one more time. You can do this style with or without end papers. The papers just kind of help smooth your ends out and make sure they don't frizz. But as you can see, I kind of gave up on using those because it was kind of a pain. But as long as you apply enough product to your ends, they will not frizz. So once you have that roller in, you're going to just continue the same thing all the way around until you have all of your rollers in. For the top section, you're going to see I'm going to part it into 4 rectangular sections. And then once I have that, I'm going to take those and make that 4 small rectangular sections. And again, the only reason I'm doing it this way is because I want a bang in the front. So if you're wanting bangs to hang in the front, you'll want to make sure to do this method. By this point, I was exhausted and pretty much over this video. I literally almost gave up. But as you'll see in just a moment, my hubby comes in and gasses me up. So of course I went ahead and finished this video. I'm proud of him. He only bugged me this one time during filming this, so that's a record for him. Alright y'all, so I'm just again continuing to apply my rollers as I did the rest of my head, and I'm going to kind of slow it back down once I get to the last 4 in the front, because I'm going to roll those forward again to get that bang effect. Once I was damn near finished, I realized that I rolled this one backwards. But I did go back and fix it, and I rolled it forwards. So my bad, y'all. You do want to roll these ones in the front forward, not backward. And once you finally get all of your rollers in your hair, you can use a blow dryer to get it dry. You can air dry it. You can sit under a dryer. It's completely up to you. I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this growth oil to my scalp. Again, y'all, I'm all about moisturizing my hair. My scalp is really, really dry. So before I dry my hair, I am going to go ahead and apply some oil to my scalp. And again, you can let your hair air dry or use a hair dryer. Once they're dry, you can go ahead and take out all of your rollers. Try and unravel them opposed to just pulling them out, because the more you pull on them, the more they'll cause some frizz. So just make sure to kind of untwist them along with the curl, just for a better, more uniform look. It did turn out a little more frizzy than I anticipated, but that's more than likely because I desperately do need a trim. But the end result did end up looking really, really cute, and you'll see here in just a second. I'm going to go ahead and give my bangs a little trim to go ahead and complete this bang look that I'm going for. One thing I didn't do was set my hair with any kind of hairspray or anything. I didn't want it to be like crunchy curls, so I just did without that. The gel that I did use by the Main Choice did its job, so my hair feels like it doesn't even need any hairspray. But if you're wanting this style to last for more than a day, definitely go ahead and just, cover the rollers in hairspray before you dry your hair. So this pretty much was my final look. I did play with it a little bit more after the video just to kind of make my curls look a little more defined. And you'll see at the pictures here at the end where it looks a little more uniform and you can kind of see my curls more. But thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be back very, very soon with another one. Thank y'all for watching.